Alright, here we go. The Can't Beat Me Smoothie from Shalene Flanagan's Run Fast, Eat Slow. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Naylor, and on today's episode of What Runners Eat, we're going to be diving into Shalene Flanagan's book, The Run Fast, Eat Slow, and we'll be looking at her speed workout fuel, which is the Can't Beat Me Smoothie. I'll be walking you step by step how to make this, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So to begin, we're going to go ahead and peel the beet, and we're going to chop off both the top and the bottom. This makes everything just a little bit easier to work with. And also, one thing I did discover was you do want to wear gloves when working with raw beets, or otherwise your hands will be a big mess. So, lesson learned. We're going to go ahead and continue, and we're going to quarter the beet. This makes everything a little bit easier for the blender to mix everything together. We're then going to chop a fresh ginger, a knob of fresh ginger into an inch cubed. Looks a little bit something like this. Alright, now we're going to get into the mixing. I'm going to be using my Vitamix mixer today. You can use any blender, but a Vitamix mixer does work a little bit easier to blend everything together. We're going to go ahead and throw in our beets and our inch knob of ginger. We're going to throw in one frozen banana, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 cup of almond milk. Follow this by 1 cup of coconut water. Any brand will do. We're then going to top this off with a tablespoon of almond butter. We'll go ahead and just throw that right in. We're going to go ahead and bring the base mixer in, throw this on, start this off with a low speed, then move it up to a bit higher, and we're going to blend this for about a total of 3 minutes, or until everything is blended together. After which we're going to pour this into a glass jar very slowly for dramatic effect, and there we have it, the Can't Beat Me Smoothie. Very simple, very quick, and also we're going to see how good this tastes. But so far, not so bad, huh guys? This is for your speed workout days. Here goes, the Can't Beat Me Smoothie from Shalene Flanagan's Run Fast, Eat Slow. Wow. Okay, what I can say about this is that it's different. In this recipe, we used raw beet, raw ginger, frozen blueberries, had the coconut water, the almond butter as you saw, and the almond milk. There's definitely a lot of flavors going around. You definitely taste like this really rustic taste about this smoothie. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, this is not something that you feel you have to choke down. So this is really, I mean, it's good. It's different, but it's pretty good. All right, so you can definitely taste the ginger. As you kind of remember, this was about an inch cube knob of fresh ginger that I threw in here, so you can definitely taste that. So the more you drink it, I think the better it gets. You can start tasting everything else. You can taste the tablespoon of almond butter that I threw in here. This is great. It tastes great. You're not going to have any problems drinking this right before your speed workout or your interval workout. I think this is great. This is something you can make the night before. It goes in your refrigerator and it'll be great overnight. Now, in Shalene's book, she did make a few comments about a few variations you can do when it comes to this drink. For example, the greens or the stems that you cut off, those things are actually really rich with a lot of inflammation nutrients inside. So she suggests you could actually throw those right in the blender and everything will be good to go. Another thing that she has mentioned is that if you have a high-powered blender, you can basically peel the beet as you saw in the video, quarter it up, throw right in the blender, and let it run. Now, if you don't have a high-powered blender, she did suggest cooking or baking the beets, and I'll put down in the description of how you can do that, just by chance if you don't have one of those high-powered blenders. Like for me, I use the Vitamix today. Anyway, great smoothie. I think this will be great for anyone who is looking for a really good pick-me-up for those speed days, high-tempo days, interval workouts, and quite honestly, I think this will probably be great for really any running activity that you do. So I give this give this a thumbs up. This is awesome. This is great. Go ahead and give this a try. Leave down in the comments below if you've tried this, made this. What do you think? How do you like it? Until then, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. Hope you enjoy your workout, wherever that may be. And in the meantime, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys with the next episode of What Runners Eat. And until then, I'll see you guys later. Take care.